How to link Wealthfront to Webull. Follow these instructions. Log into your Webull account on the app or website, then go to the Transfers or Banking section from your main dashboard. Select Add Account or Link External Account to begin the process of connecting your Wealthfront account to Webull. Use the search bar to find Wealthfront from the list of supported institutions and select it to continue. Enter your Wealthfront username and password securely using Plaid to verify and authorize access to your account. Choose which Wealthfront account to link, such as your cash account or IRA, depending on your transfer needs. Complete the verification by confirming to small test deposits or instantly if supported by Wealthfront. Once the account is verified, begin transferring funds between Webull and Wealthfront for seamless investing access. Thank you for watching.